Giant octopus has 3 hearts and 9 brains. No wonder they have so high intelligence. Please recommend clown action.
Start by pumping up your 260 lilac balloon and tie a knot. Leave a 15 centimeter tail. Now make an apple twist by pushing the nozzle inward and using your other hand grabbing the nozzle from the outside and then twisting it. Push the longer bit of the balloon into the smaller bit so you can secure the apple twist. Now make a 5 centimeter bubble. Now make a loop twist and make sure you soften it up. Put the apple twist through the loop twist, so this makes the head of the octopus. Now make 4 4 centimeter bubbles. This is going to form the legs of the octopus. Make sure you have 4. Now repeat it on the other side. Make 4 4 centimeter bubbles. And twist the ends together. Make sure you have 4. Now with 4 of those bubbles, twist it through the middle, then you have a pair of 2 on each side. Grab the longer balloon and twist it through the middle, so then you can secure these 2 bits. Now repeat it on the other side. So as you can see, we now have 4 sets of vertical 2 bubbles. And to turn these into real octopus legs, rotate each set 90 degrees, so then they're horizontal. So as you can see, there are now 8 legs instead of the 4 sets of 2s. Adjust the legs so they look better. You can decide to keep the long balloon in the middle as a wand, or you can cut it off and tie a knot. Now into the drawing bit. Get a white marker and fill in the whites of the octopus eyes. Now get a black marker to outline the eyes. And use purple to fill in the eyes. Use the same purple marker, draw in some spots for a little bit of pattern detail. And your octopus is done.
One Balloon Octopus. Thanks for watching. Please comment down below what you want us to make next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.